These quiet markets are murder. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Tuesday, the 22nd of March. And, of course, it is as quiet as a church mouse, as they say in here. Markets are just gyrating around. You see some rallies, you see some sell-offs, but basically you don't see much of anything. You just see a market that is being strictly driven by order flow, which is very quiet and no emotion, no fear, no panic, no chasing. And I think this is what you have to understand and learn about the market environment. There isn't, again, we can talk about news, which is worthless. Okay, we can talk about anything we want, but basically the patterns are holding. And as we look right now, the Dow's up 280. We're long. The NASDAQ is up 166. We're long. The S&P's up 36, we're long, and the Russell's up 261, which we're long. So in other words, we're long them all. Okay. Crude oil is down today. We did reverse this morning, so we're a little bit underwater in crude, but we are now long crude. Gold is getting pounded, which is not a surprise, gold and silver. Okay, now we expected, as we wrote this morning, 1900 in gold would be our first support target, and 2450 in silver, and right now we're at 1913. And 2480. So we're getting very close to those numbers, and platinum is under pressure as well. Now, we don't trade platinum anymore, but certainly I'm a buyer of platinum in physical, not trading wise. Okay. But we are short the metals except for platinum because, again, we just don't trade it. So we can't really be short if we're not trading it. The dollar is lower. We're long. Bitcoin is higher today, and we're short. Again, it's in a very tight range, and I would expect Bitcoin to be in the next couple of weeks either 60,000 or 30,000. Okay, I don't really know which one. I do think it's going higher eventually, anyways. But you could see a dip down again. You've got the central banks trying to fight it. In the meantime, you've got copper is lower, and we are short. You've got nat gas higher, and we are long it. Okay, the bonds and notes are getting buried once again. Okay. Now, what is the significance of that? The significance is very simple. Interest rates are going up. The 10-year's at about 2.4% now. Okay. And of course, that's why we're short. I mean, I think there's a dramatic amount of room to go on the downside of these markets. Okay. Of the bond markets, because I think interest rates are going much higher, but we'll see. Okay. And as we take a look into the grains, again, we've had these wild swings in grains today. They're resting. Okay. Corn, we're long, it's slightly lower. Beans, we're long, they're higher. And wheat, we're short, it's a little bit higher. But nothing is that wild today. We're back in this overall malaise, kind of settling around. But corn and beans look great. And I think when wheat turns around, it will look great as well. And I prefer to be long wheat, but again, I can't fight the methods that I use. So we're still shorted. And of course, in the protein complex, feeder cattle, fractionally higher, we're short. Hogs, lower, we're long. And live cattle, which we're long, we'll call it flat. It's slightly higher, but flat is close enough. Okay, and the softs, cotton is lower, and we are long. Coffee is higher, and we are short. Sugar is flat, and we're long. Cocoa is higher, and we are short. And OJ is flat, and we're long. It's a very quiet, these are very challenging days to try to be an active trader. We were able to find 2 trades this morning on our live trading. But again, I'm not looking to force anything. I think that's a mistake, and I think that's a mistake that many traders make. Remember to check out our sponsors, scrolling along the bottom. Capital Trading Group, by far the best in the commodities and futures world of trading. I have other accounts, but again, I love CTG. And of course, Trader Brokerage, they are, absolutely by far, as they say in horse racing, tons the best, and soon to have cryptocurrencies in their platform. Okay, it's try.trader.com/Bubba. And of course, our metals partner, who we buy for either storage or for delivery, Strategic Wealth Preservation, and of course, our high school program at Patreon. So in the meantime, listen, be careful. It's not a day to be aggressive. It's a day for passiveness and trying to pick your spots or take the day off. Have a great day, everybody. This is Bubba's Daily Update for Tuesday. We'll see you back here again tomorrow on Wednesday. Bubba's Daily Update. We'll see you later, everybody.